Hello, my name is Emmanuel Geraldo, and in today's video, I'll be talking about a hostel management website that I'm working on called ZeeHostel. Come with me and let's see how it works. Welcome back. So as you can see, this is the back end, and then let me just run this. So this is the landing page. Let me just reload this. So see how the landing page looks like. So this is the landing page. So when you come here, this is just a brief description about the hostel and then what the hostel stands for. So welcome to our community-driven hostel. And then there's a slideshow here. So a carousel slideshow. So it automatically moves to different pictures of the hostel, just for people to have a wider view of how the hostel looks like. These pictures are actually just put in it for demonstration purposes, but do not actually represent any particular hostel. So there's no copyright intended here. So from here, we can click on, let's say, book room page, or we could just slide down, and then you can see here that these are the different types of rooms that we have in the hostel. So we have the 4-in-1, a 2-in-1 room, or we could still see other rooms here. That's 3-in-1 room, the 1-in-1 room. And then you see that the moment I send my mouse hovers around on the particular room's card, it shows details about the hostel, about that particular room, sorry. So you see here that 1-in-1 room, we have private room, free Wi-Fi, and suites, bathroom, and then a mini kitchen here. So let's say for now, a student wants to book a particular room to come to the hostel. It's so that you click on register here, and then it tells you to log in. But we all know that to be able to log in, you should be able to you have to sign up first. So from here, it shows that you don't have an account, create one. So I'll click on create one here. So this is the sign up page for ZeeHostel. So now ZeeHostel here on the left side, we can see some details about ZeeHostel, just things talking about the amenities that ZeeHostel has to offer. So from here, this is the portion that your profile picture enters. So from here, I can click on this, and then choose a picture, and then focus the picture on parts. Let me make this smaller a little bit again. So now this becomes the profile picture. So from here, I can put in you can put in your first name, your last name. You can also put in your username. Let me see, UI, this, your date of birth. Let me see, 8th January 2025. The program that you are coming to read in the school. So BSc. Okay, there's already some here, so I could just choose marine engineering. And then your parents' name, let me see, probably choice. Your parents' contacts me +233. Or let me just use this 021234. Yes. So as your parents' contacts. And then your email here has been automatically filled in because we choose the name and last name from here. So Google's autofill. So I choose a password here. And you can see here that there's a criteria beneath the password section that everyone has to fulfill. So the more I fulfill a particular criteria, it changes the color to green. So you can see here that at least 8 characters, your password must have at least 8 characters, must contain a letter, uppercase, lowercase, and then the passwords must match. So now let me put the passwords in here. And as you can see, the more I type, the more it tells me that I've matched a particular criteria. So now the only criteria here left to fulfill is the passwords must match. So let me quickly confirm the password here. And you can see that this this here has everything here is now green. So we now come down here and it all says that by checking this box, you agree to the terms and conditions of ZeeHostel. So let's say you still want to sign up regardless, it will tell you that you have to check this box if you want to proceed. It means that you have to agree to the terms and conditions of ZeeHostel to be able to continue. So I quickly click on the terms and conditions, and then it sends me to a PDF document. A PDF. This is my hostel. I was trying to do something. But this is just randomly generated. This is just randomly generated. So as you can see here, this is a PDF document. This is a PDF document showing the rules and regulations of the terms and conditions of ZeeHostel. So now, if you agree to all of this, then you can see a conduct safety and prohibited items. Smoking, illegal drugs, weapons, and fireworks are strictly prohibited on the premises. So if you agree to all that, then you can come back here and then check this box. So before I click on sign up, let me confirm that I have everything okay. My profile picture, this, yes, I think we are good to go. So I'm signing up now. So from here, it will lead us back to the home page as it's showing now. And then from here, I can now log in. And then go and book a room. So the password I used was yesoemmanuel42@gmail.com. Then I put in my password from there. Let me put in my password quickly. And then from here, it should display my name, and then my profile picture in a profile corner. It will put that in the profile corner to show that I have successfully logged in into ZeeHostel. So from here, this should have come. Yes. So you see here that my name and then profile picture are here, which shows I have successfully logged in into ZeeHostel. So I can now click on here and then click on logout to sign out of the account. But for now, I would like to book a room in ZeeHostel. So I now come down to the book room section, and then let's say I want a 2-in-1. So I click on register here, and it opens this page for me. So the 2-in-1, it shows the particular price for that for the room that I've chosen, which is a 2-in-1, and then it automatically fills in the full name and then the email based on the person that has signed, that has logged in, obviously. And then in Ghana, the payments method here. In Ghana, we have three major network operators. So we have MTN, Vodafone, which is now Telecel, and then Airtel Tigo. So based on the network operator that you use, you choose it. So let's say I'm using an MTN, then I can put a number there, 0234567 Yes. So from here, I can see the subtotal and the total. Maybe if there's additional taxes or something that the host wants to take, they'll be added up there. So from here, I can click on pay with Momo, and then it sends me a Momo prompt on my phone, and then I type in my Momo password to verify to pay for the hostel. But I'm yet to do that, but it's something that I'm going to do very soon. So when I click on pay with Momo, it sends me a digital receipt. It sends me a digital receipt, and then the hostel owner also gets a digital receipt. So from here, let me go back to this page, and then I forgot to share something. Let me, from the part that you sign up, if you sign up, it automatically sends you an email to let you know that you successfully completed the sign up process for ZeeHostel. So let me quickly go to my email and then show that part. Okay, welcome back. So you can see here that a verification email has been sent to me that's welcome to ZeeHostel. We are excited to have you as part of our community, the hostel guidelines, just something brief. And then we look forward to making your stay comfortable and enjoyable. For any inquiries, contact us at ZeeHostel@gmail.com, and then warm regards the ZeeHostel team. So this is just an email sent to the person that has signed up that you've successfully completed the process of signing up for MIDA Hostel. So now let me go back to the website and then explore some other features that we have. Okay, so welcome back. So we are back to the main Hostel website. So from here, the hostel administrator should also be able to see the dealings of the hostel, to be able to maybe update hostel prices, to be able to check if students have made a complaint, or maybe a maintenance request. So let's say, okay, currently I'm still logged in as a student. So let me go down here, and then we have a section called the complaints and recommendations section. So from here, I can put in my name, my email address, and then the type of problem that I have that I want the hostel to come and fix for me. So from here, let me see, put my name in here, my email address, and then the feedback type. So let's see, maybe I have a plumbing problem, the internet issue. What exactly should I? Let me say noise disturbance, because it's popular in most hostels. So my neighbor is making noise. Why is that happening? But that's basically the whole idea. And then this part should be able to shift the message box, increase or expand the message box based on the length of the message based on the length of the message that you want to type in here. So from here, we can be able to click on submit feedback, and then it sends the complaints to the hostel administrator. And then the complaints are grouped. So let's say maybe the hostel administrator has brought in the plumber to do some of the work. Then the hostel administrator can just select the particular type of a problem that the plumber is coming to fix. So let's see plumbing problems, and then be able to see all the plumbing issues that we have in the hostel, so that the hostel plumber can be able to fix it. So for now, let's see the hostel administrator wants to sign in and wants to do his stuff at the back end. So I log out here, and then let me log in. So something that is not known to the students is that the hostel administrators or the hostel owner also uses the same login page. Just that based on your role, that is based on your email and your password, it will determine whether you are a student or you are the admin or the hostel owner. So from here, let me log in. As you can see, I'm using the same login page. So I'm using the same thing. I'm logging in now. Yes. So now this is the dashboard for the hostel administrator. So from here, you can see the total number of residents, the total rooms occupied, the complaints that we have, the total amount of hostel fees that we've received in Ghana cedis, the occupancy trend, the monthly payments is something that I'm still yet to work on. But you would see the most recent payments, and then the recent complaints too. And then this part, the action here, the view should be able to tell you the particular complaint that the person is talking about with regards to water. So from here, you should be able to go to residents. So residents, it will show you everybody in the hostel, every single occupant of your hostel, and then their details. That is their room number, their room type, the person's contacts, the person's payment status, if the person has done maybe a maintenance request or has done a complaint on the other page, everything shows here. So from here, let's say I want to know if a student has paid a hostel fee, so I can let me use the name Jane Smith. So I'll look for Jane Smith. So from here, we can see that James Smith in room 202, room type 3-in-1 with this contact, with payment status partial, also has 2 complaints. So from here, we can see that Jane Smith has not finished paying her hostel fees. We can also go further and filter based on the types of rooms and then the payment type. Let me see, 2-in-1. Yes, we would see all the people in 2-in-1, and then the payment status, whether we want partial. Wow, that should have come. Okay, so it's something I have to look into again. So from here, let's say maybe I want to export the data to Excel. I can just quickly click on here and then export this data to maybe an Excel or a PDF document for me. It's something that I would have to add again. So from here, we have complaints. We have complaints here, sorry. So from here, I can be able to see the particular type or the category of problem that somebody has, and then the message that the person puts in based on what I showed earlier. So from here, we can see that Mary A of room 102 has a problem of category water with message that the tap has not been flowing for 2 days now. And then the status means that the status, we have 3 indicators here. We have pending, in progress, or resolved. So it's pending means that we have not yet contacted anyone to come and solve the problem. And then in progress means that maybe someone has started working on the problem. And then resolved means we are completely done with that type of problem. So from here, I can go to the payments page also. So now the payments page shows me the total payments received, the expected revenue, the outstanding balances, and then the full payments. That's the total percentage of money that we've received. That's the full payments. And this graph also shows basically the payments over time. Now, from here, at the bottom, we can be able to see the payment status of people and then their amount of balance. So from here, from the table here, we can see the person's room, the type of room, the amount paid. Let me take John Doe, for instance. The amount paid is 1,500, and then he's expected to pay 2,000 Ghana cedis for the hostel fees. So the balance is 500 Ghana cedis. And then this is the date that the person made the payment. So the type of payment is what is partial. Just for your information, all these are dummy data for now. So they are not actual. This is not the actual data of any single body. This has just been put inside for demonstration purposes. So we can now go to the settings page, and then from the settings page, we have the admin profile. We have various sections. We've got the admin profile. We've got a hostel configuration. We've got notification preferences, and then manage admin accounts. So let me take it down one by one. So the admin profile, from here, you can be able to see your name, your email, and then if you want to change your password, you put in your new password here, or you want to change your email, you do that, or maybe your name. Then you save changes, then it does that. So, and then let's say the hostel owner or the hostel admin wants to update the prices of rooms for a particular academic year, they can just come here and click on update hostel info, and then change the hostel prices here, and then it automatically updates in the book room, in the book room or payment section. From here, the notification preferences, the hostel admin or hostel owner should be able to filter out the particular type of notifications that they want to get if they log into, or the first notifications that they want to get if they log into if they log into the website. So notification preferences, we have the receive new complaints alerts, we have receive payments confirmations, and then receive resident recommendations. So let's say maybe I just want to receive payments confirmations. I can just turn off this or this and this, and then save preferences. So it means that for the particular time frame till you log out, you will only be seeing messages about payment confirmations, or maybe if a student has given a recommendation till you log out. But if you still want to see maybe complaints, if you still want to see complaints and this is turned off, you still have to come here to the complaints page and then send it off. But for now, it would just be here. For now, it would just be here. Means that there's going to be a pop-up section where it show give notifications of maybe the problems of students. So this is just generally filters out and shows you the particular type of message that you want to see as the hostel admin or the hostel owner. So if I come here to the manage admin accounts, we've got the name, email, and then role. And then we've got something here called the super admin. So in this particular case, the super admin will be the hostel owner. So the hostel owner or whoever is going to be the super admin has the privilege of removing other people. Let's see, maybe a staff has left work. You can be able to manage a admin account here by removing a particular admin. Or let's say you want to add an admin so that you're able to have access to here. You can be able to also do that here by clicking on add new admin, and then you'll be able to add someone new to be able to work. Later on, I'll be adding login based checks. So based on the particular admin, let's say this person is a staff, or maybe the person is a plumber. The plumber already have access to, or the person is an electrician, or the repairsman. The repairsman only have access to the complaints page to be able to see the particular problem that people has. So it's a feature that I'm going to work on in the next update. So now let me go back to the main page. Oh, I've opened a lot of pages. So now we are back to the main landing page of ZeeHostel. Up here, we've got a few navigation links. Let me just talk about that quickly here. We've got a few navigation links here. We've got a Twitter now called X, Instagram, and then YouTube links. So let's say the hostel has a YouTube account that you want to show, or maybe give a virtual view or virtual orientation to their occupants. I can be able to put that behind the navigation link here. So let me quickly open YouTube and let's see what happens here. I hope my YouTube looks clean. Yes. So you can see that my YouTube is now open here. So let me quickly leave here. Yes. So thank you so much for being with me through this journey as we talked about ZeeHostel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay along for the rest of the journey as we'll be talking about more and more tech stuff, and I'll be bringing updates on what I've done so far. Thank you so much for following me through the whole journey. I'll see you in the next one.